Hello friends, welcome to EC Academy.
In this lecture, let us understand types of coupling. There are three types of coupling in an electronic circuit. First one is capacitive coupling, then transformer coupling, and direct coupling. So coupling is used to connect one stage of a circuit to another stage of the circuit. Figure A shows the capacitive coupling. Here, the capacitor transmits the amplified AC voltage to next stage. In transformer coupling, the AC voltage is coupled through transformer to the next stage. Here, capacitive coupling and transformer coupling are examples of AC coupling because both capacitor and transformer will allow only AC signal and it will block DC signal. Figure C shows the direct coupling. In this coupling, there is a direct connection between the collector of first stage of the transistor to base of second transistor. Since it is directly coupled, both DC and AC voltages are transmitted to second stage. Hence, we can say both DC and AC voltages are coupled in this type of direct coupling circuits. The amplifiers that uses direct coupling are known as direct coupled amplifiers. The direct coupled amplifier are also known as DC amplifiers. Now let us understand a range of frequencies. Any amplifier can be described by their frequency range. If we consider an audio amplifier, this operates in the range of 20 Hz to 20 kHz. The radio frequency amplifiers operates above 20 kHz. The RF amplifiers in AM radio operates in the range of 535 to 1605 kHz. RF amplifier in FM radio amplifies frequency between 88 to 108 MHz. A narrowband amplifier operates in the range of 450 to 460 kHz. A wideband amplifier operates in the range of 0 to 1 MHz. These narrowband amplifiers are usually tuned amplifiers which are used for radio and television signals. So we can describe amplifier with its frequency range. If we consider audio amplifier, it will operate in the range of 20 Hz to 20 kHz. RF amplifier will operate above 20 kHz. RF amplifier in AM radio operates in the range of 535 kHz to 1605 kHz, and RF amplifier in FM radio operates from 88 MHz to 108 MHz. Narrowband amplifier operates between 450 kHz to 460 kHz, and wideband amplifier operates from 0 to 1 MHz. These narrowband amplifiers are usually the tuned amplifiers that are used in radio and television channels to receive the signals. This is about types of coupling and range of frequencies. Hope you have understood the topic. Thank you.